this wind here, which is blowing pretty strong out of the southwest at about, I'd say about 23 miles per hour here at Ranger Station. Right now we've got 2-foot waves coming in off the Atlantic Ocean, occasional 3-footer on the sets here. A bit choppy with those strong southwesterly winds blowing, but we're in for a treat. These southwesterly winds going to kick up a bit of a swell, probably in the range of about 2.5 foot and 9 seconds tomorrow morning, which will provide some energy, and we're going to have some light northwesterly winds coming in opposition to the swell coming in from the south, and things might look kind of good for barrels on the right, so we shall see. We shall see tomorrow morning. All right, so let's look at conditions up and down the Outer Banks, provided by data provided by the wave monitors, the buoy data, and observations by yours truly up and down the Outer Banks. Right now, here at Nagshead, we've got 2-foot and choppy with an east-southeasterly swell at about 2.3 foot and 9 seconds. Southwesterly winds right now at about 21 miles per hour. Air temperature is 63 degrees. Ocean water temperature is 53. We had a low tide this morning between 8 and 9 a.m. High tide this afternoon between 1 and 2 p.m. Looking forward to a low tide this evening at around 8 and 9 as well. Now we're at Anthony, we've got 2 to 3 foot waves, choppy conditions. Swell coming in from the south about 3.3 foot and 8 seconds. Southwesterly winds at 22. Air temperature 62 degrees. Ocean water temperatures warming up to 58. Was out there surfing at Great Anthony today without any hood, booties, or gloves in my 3.2. I'm sorry, not my 3.2. In my 4.3 millimeter XL Convex wetsuit. Fantastic wetsuit. It's kept me nice and warm all winter long. But definitely looking forward to springtime. Warmth coming up from the south right now, and at Buxton we've got 2 to 3 foot waves, choppy conditions, the southeast swell 2.6 foot and 9 seconds. Southwest winds 23 miles per hour. Air temperature 65 degrees. Ocean water temperature all the way up to 61. And at Frisco 2 to 3 foot and choppy. For today we had 2 to 3 foot waves. Started out clean to fair, got choppy later as the southwestern winds picked up. And high temperatures today near 70 degrees Fahrenheit. For tomorrow, we're looking at 2 to 4 foot waves, clean early, choppy later, light northwesterly winds shifting throughout the day toward the north and then toward the northeast, picking up to 10 to 20 miles per hour later in the day. Highs in the middle 60s, looking a bit cloudy. And on Wednesday, 2 to 4 foot and fair to clean south winds, 6 to 12 miles per hour. Temps in the middle 60s with some clouds rolling in on Wednesday, and then on Thursday, looking at 2 to 3 foot waves, fair conditions, southwest winds, 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's rain. Highs in the middle 60s. Actually, you know what? I'm going to have to update that forecast for Thursday. The forecast has switched to sunny. Highs in the middle 60s on Thursday, as it was earlier predicted. It's expected to stay away from the area. All right, so thanks for joining me for this Monday, the 15th of April session of the OBX Wave Report. I hope you guys do get up tomorrow and get some good waves for dawn patrol. Looks like we might get a good swell in opposition to that wind, and that might mean some barrels here in the Outer Banks. We shall see. Thank you for joining me once again. As I typically do, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change, which is very visible on our coastlines right now. We got this big berm of sand right behind me. That's been built up by bulldozers. Otherwise, the road behind this berm of sand would be washed away. The impacts of climate change include the rising sea levels, which erode our beaches, more intense storms also, which erode our beaches and threaten our coastal infrastructure and our homes. Ocean heat waves, which are really bad for ocean health, and ocean acidification, which is very harmful to your ocean health and just creates a nasty ocean environment. We don't want that. So let's rapidly deploy that clean energy being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. Stop burning those fossil fuels, which are the main driver of the climate crisis. All right. So thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX Wave Report. And we'll be back with you shortly this beautiful evening. Hope you guys enjoy it.